Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix unable to read CSV file in Jupyter Notebook. First, click on File and create a new notebook. Close the old notebook. Now on the new notebook, type in Import Pandas as PD, then press Enter. Next, type in Import NumPy as NP. Hit Enter. Next, type in Import OS and press Enter. Now, copy the file location of your CSV file and type it in. os.chdr, open parenthesis, the file location, but change the single backslash to double backslash. Then close parenthesis. Press run at top. Next, type in pd.read underscore CSV, open parenthesis, and paste the name of your CSV file. Close parenthesis, click run, and that's it.